Hi, this is Rosa Rubio Giota from RCG Creations. I'm bringing you a short little video today. My laptop is not working very well, and we're trying to see about getting it fixed. So I'm probably going to have to just do some short little videos here with my camera until that computer gets fixed. But anyway, what I'm bringing to you today is a Halloween pop-up card. This is a little card that I'm going to send to a little friend who's 3 years old. It's going to go in the mail to her. And here, let me get you a little bit closer. That's the front view. And there's the side. And that's the outside. I didn't want to make it too scary because she is just 3 years old. And let me back up just a tad. This is just the 12 by 12 paper that I got from, I'm pretty sure it was Michael's, in their individual racks. And then this is from a paper pad, but it's the shimmer. It's a shimmer paper. And I thought that was kind of cute. And these are cut from the Cricut. It's called the Paper Doll Dress Up Collection. Paper Doll Dress Up. And I cut the little critters from there. Okay, it doesn't say on that, but anyway, that's from the Cricut. And here's our little ghost, our little mummy, our little monster. Let me bend this down. Bear with me. I apologize because I only have one hand here. A little pumpkin. And let me move this down a little bit. And then we have a little felt witch's hat. I like this little foamy googly eyes. Aren't they cute? And then the little ghost I did cut out also from the same Cricut Expression cartridge. And then another little pumpkin that I stamped and dyed. I actually got the... I have it right here. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. The pumpkins are both cut out from this stamp set from Recollections Halloween Clear Stamp Set. So it's dies and stamps. And then there's the faces that I used for the round pumpkin. I just used the outside round skeleton. And then I just inked it with some distress inks. Okay, and let me see. Hopefully I can do this. So when you get to mail it, all you do is open up the flaps. And then you fold it. Oops, sorry, I was out of focus. You fold it. And it folds semi-flat. You would just put it in a little bit thicker envelope, put a little bit extra weight because it is thicker, but it folds just flat. And then when the person gets it, they open it. Basically, it falls out to exactly where it is. And bear with me, this is a little hard doing it with one hand. But there you go. And then there's a whole pop-up. It's called a pop. From what I'm hearing, I'm thinking it's called a pop-up box card. And watch one of my other videos I just showed a couple of weeks ago on how to make it. And that's exactly the same method I used on how to make a pop-up card. And I just used the outside of the outside paper to cover the little pieces of cardboard. So it has some decoration because you can see, depending on how full your card is, sometimes you see the little risers, which is where these little clamshell plastic is. And sometimes you see them and sometimes you don't. And so whenever I know I'm not gonna make it totally full, then I go ahead and decorate that so they're not just solid white. And I usually like to match it with something that's on the card itself. But then here is an aerial view. And I'm going to blow here and you can see them. They're going to move. So if you have your ceiling fan going, they're actually moving. And that's one of the reasons why I like to do these especially for little kids. And I actually do this I used to do it for my father-in-law, and he really loved them. Sadly, we lost him due to COVID, but, he's in our hearts. And he really enjoyed, because his ceiling fan would be going, all of a sudden he'd see them moving, he'd go, what's going on, what's going on? And I go, oh, it's just your little card. They're made to move. That's why they're on those little plastic clamshells, because they're made to move. I mean, that's what they're made to do. It's kind of an interactive card. and it's really pretty sturdy because I did use cardstock. I just did a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, and then I just cut it to size, and you can make it at any size you want, as big or small. And check out my other video that I posted a couple of weeks ago, and it shows you how to make the pop-up box card. I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please hit like and share and comment, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.